Hello and welcome back to another video. So today I've got myself a DS Lite. It's a decent one, to be fair. Very good condition. I mean, hinge works perfectly. I wanted to case swap it, but it's too good. Works spotlessly. Anyway, I've been playing this a lot, Tetris and Alt Classics. Only one problem. That's an awful connector. I want USB-C. So that's where this comes in. So we're gonna have a go at installing it and see what we can do. So to start off with, I'm gonna get rid of the battery, get rid of that straight away. So that were a bit rough, but it's just about fitting there. That'll be out now. Pop that out. Battery cover gone. And then the battery. Now I did recently put a new battery in this. Well, they say new. It was better than the one that came in. It's probably Chinese or a new label on an original battery. It was just a cheap one off eBay. It was better than the dead one what it came with. There's another Phillips head here. Put that in the parts tray. Taking that one out. And then this is a tri-wing for a Game Boy. It's the nearest thing I've got. So we're going to give it a go anyway. Seems to be turning fine. Not a bit stiff. Yeah, get rid of that. Might as well set stylus out. I don't know if you need to. I'm not watching a guide on how to do this, so I've no idea. And don't take this as a guide, because I don't have a clue what I'm doing. Let's be honest. If you've watched any of my other videos. Set that out as well, might as well. R4 with legally obtained ROMs.
Do what you want, 'cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate.
There's another screw. Another tri-wing. Nintendo have got to be awkward. That one's out. So, I'm running low on spudgers. This is the nearest thing I've got. But I believe I've got all the screws out. Two hidden screws here. That's why you always should read a guide. There, two Phillips head with looks of it. One. And that's two. And that just comes apart like nothing. Comes apart like it's never been together. So I think that's the volume swap slider, yeah it is. Put that back in while it's still remember what it is. Alright, so that's removed now. That's taken out. And that's taken out. So I need to unplug this little cable. It's taken out. There's a little Phillips head there, keeping it in. Take the other antenna out. And I believe tiny little cable here. Should just slip out. So that's unplugged. So let's get a soldering iron lit. I've just built these hands the first time I've used them. I'm not the best with them in general. One soldering iron later and we're back, since my first soldering iron's a bit crap. This one's too big, I'm going to say that now, but it's the nearest I've got. So I'm going to try a bit of solder wick. Ooh, I love the smell of solder in the morning. Even if I've had a full day on monsters today at work. That's why I'm shaking so much. This is where I really wish I had a hot air station. See what damage we've done then. It's almost out with the looks of it. It's been held in by something. I'm trying to figure out what now. Oh, must be in that then. So, with the looks of it, that was successful. I mean, we'll only find out once we've got the other one in place, but it's better than I expected. So with the sounds of it, it needs to go something like this. Okay, so with any luck, that should work. We've got a USB-C cable. We're going to see if it works. So I don't know if you can see that, but it is lighting up. Happy days. So that's soldered. Let's test it again. Turn the lights off for this one. Put this on. Let's get it built back again. So after a bit of filing and general prep work, it's in. Now I could clean that up a bit. It does need a bit of cleaning up, but it fully works. USB-C cable in there. Look at that charging. Now while reassembling, I lost the start button, so I've had to use a spare one I've got off a clear pink case. I don't mind though. Still works fine. No complaints with it, to be fair. It does really make the DS a lot more usable. And I mean, this message is now coming up, but that's to do with R4 card firmware. But besides the point, it's a fully functional DS now, but with USB-C. That's all I've ever wanted. Can't complain with the DS Lite, to be fair. They're just brilliant little devices. And that was the only thing holding me back. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see. Any mods like this, because I love upgrading things to USB-C. You can't complain, really. USB-C, the single cable we all asked for. It's finally here. Why not put it in everything, including old stuff? I mean, like, I've got a G502 Logitech mouse. It's the wireless one and it's absolutely brilliant. And it's from an era where USB-C was the standard. Sadly, it's micro USB because Logitech cheaped out. It's ridiculous, but I'm sure we can convert that. There's plenty of other options. We'll find out anyway. USB-C iPod, anyone? Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.